Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well this morning. Yesterday was 18 degrees. This morning it was -7, and we're going to be having some freezing rain going on. Wild spring. Anyway, I was coming down Harrow, and I had recollections of a community garden just back here, which has been gone for a while, and I'll give you the reason down below. And I made it as far as here behind the Mennonite Seniors Complex, where there's a nice little park-like area with benches and a little walking trail. And right behind me is the Carter Early Learning Center, a little fenced-off area with a playground. I'll tell you about that as well. But if you're coming down Harrow, there's a nice little area to walk underneath the hydro lines. Yeah, that's what this is all about. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.